It's page number 24, students. When they left, the older gentleman came up to Defarge and asked to speak to him. He led the gentleman over a dark corner to talk. Not long after that, the gentleman, who was of course Jarvis Lorry, gestures to the young lady to go to the door. So, after the departure of the people sharing code name Jacques, Mr. Lorry went to Defarge and exchanged few words with him in a dark corner. When they are done with their conversation, Mr. Lorry gave indication to Miss Manette to join them. The three of them went out of the shop into a stinking black courtyard. Surrounding it was a great pile of houses in which a great number of people lived. Defarge bent and kissed Miss Manette's hand, but there was no kindness in his face. He had become secretive, angry, and very dangerous man. So, after three of them, Mr. Lorry, Miss Manette, and M. Defarge, they all left that shop, that cafe, and they moved towards the courtyard. It was full with the dirt. Small houses were there, and a great number of people lived there. It was quite crowdy area. Defarge bent and he kissed Miss Manette's hand, but there was no kindness on his face. He had just done that in a very formal way. He is not greeting Miss Manette by his heart. He was looking secretive, angry, and he seems more dangerous. They made their way across the dirty tiled entrance and up the stairs. Is he alone? Said Mr. Lorry as they climbed. Of course he is alone. Who should be with him? Is he always alone then? Yes. Has he changed a great deal? Changed. Defarge's face tightened in anger as they climbed more floors, past open doors, where people sat in their dark, miserable rooms. Miss Manette had not said a word. Mr. Lorry now almost had to carry her along. Her body had gone weak. She was trembling. Courage, dear miss, the worst will soon over. So after that, Mr. Lorry, in between their path, he asked many things to Defarge regarding Dr. Manette. That is he living alone? Then Defarge said that yes, of course he is alone. Who should be with him? Then Defarge asked that how is he? He is like that previous Dr. Manette, or he has changed? He said changed. He has completely changed now. As Mr. Lorry is asking questions to Defarge, Defarge's face became tightened with anger, and they people were passing through. As they people were passing from one floor to another floor, the people who were living in the small houses, they were shutting their doors on their faces. Miss Manette, she has not said a single word, and Mr. Lorry, he has observed that Miss Manette, she is becoming somewhat weak. So Mr. Lorry is continuously, he is giving courage to Miss Manette, that please have courage, Miss Manette. All the worst things are going to be soon over, and all the things will be fine very soon.